Welcome to the Recruitment.Exchange app tutorial. Today we're going to guide you through the simple process of uploading CVs to the app. First, launch the Recruitment.Exchange app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the Upload button to start adding CVs. You have 5 convenient ways to upload candidate CVs. 1. Email. Simply send your CVs to the designated email address provided in the app. 2. Web app. Use our web app to upload CVs directly from your desktop. 3. Direct share. Share CVs directly to the app from your device. 4. Mobile upload. Seamlessly upload CVs from your phone's internal storage. Cloud storage. Pull your CVs from cloud services like OneDrive or Google Drive. After uploading, you can view all your CVs under the CV Assets tab within the app. Start streamlining your hiring process with Recruitment.Exchange today.